In case that you have a tough time connecting a USB drive to your Motorola Edge 50 Neo, there's a problem with a USB-C port on that device, because as you can see right here I have a pen drive, and when I try to connect it with my Motorola, it doesn't fully go in. I will need to push really hard to actually connect it, and at some point it should connect, but it may damage your USB-C port. And you can see it right here when we unlock our phone. There's nothing mentioning that the USB drive was connected to our device. But now if we take a look on the Google Pixel right here and connect it to USB-C port, there's no problem, it connects properly, and when I unlock it, there should be a notification for our USB drive. So what you can do is, as I said, you can try to force it in on that Motorola, but it may damage your USB-C port. And if you do, then do it on your own risk.